Guys, this is Friday. Welcome to Jyoti's kitchen here. So today I'm gonna be showing you my favorite recipe of momo, Nepali momo, and we call that dumpling as well, right? So today I'm gonna be showing you how I prepare momo within an hour, all from scratch, guys. Let's go. I'll show you my recipes, okay?
And let's remember to wash our hands before doing our food prep.
To stay safe and healthy, wash your hand before you touch your food. I'm gonna be using 6 pieces of chicken thigh. Using 1 big red onion, guys, so make sure you use red onion, that tastes really good. And 2 green chilies, and 1 full garlic, and 1 piece of cabbage here. My wife loves lots of veggies, so today I'm gonna be adding more veggies here, guys. So I have some red radish and some champignons and green onions, spring onion. So you know when you put the red radish, so it will be a little bit kind of wasabi flavor and a little bit spicy, so you don't need to put it in if you don't like it. This is the dumpling wrapper I'll be using today, so I don't make it wrapper at home, so I'll simply buy from the store. So you can find different kind of wrappers in the store, but I like this one. This is really good. For the spices, if you go to Nepali or Indian store nearby you, you'll be able to find momo masala, so you can simply use momo masala, but I'd like to make my own. So I put 2 teaspoons of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of meat masala and half teaspoon of chunky chaat masala. That gives you like a good flavor in your momo. Please add salt to your taste, and I'll be adding some dark soy sauce, a little bit, very few drops, and then crushed tomato and canola oil. So those are all our ingredients, guys. So now I need to grind all those. I don't like very fine ground. I'll be doing a little bit chopped. So I'll be showing you after I grind. Okay, do the same process for everything. So I just cut to the little bit small pieces so that I can easily fit in our grinder. Okay, today we'll be using our KitchenAid food processor. So we really like this. So we got in sale like a 50 bucks. It usually costs like a 90 bucks. So we'll be grinding all our chicken and all other ingredients today. I'm using the setting on high speed here, puree, so that it will be fine, but you can keep checking like if this is good to go or not. This is our ground chicken now. Our beautiful chicken and grinded vegetable are in this mixing bowl. We are almost there, guys. I'll be adding sugar, guys. I am so hungry and I wanna eat super fast. So we will be adding all the ingredients that I have shown you before, and shortly we'll be ready. All the spices and ready to mix. Okay, I have mixed all our ingredients together, and then our keema is ready. So we call this keema, and then now we will be start wrapping shortly. Our wrappers are ready. And I'll be directly putting in steamer, so make sure you spray a little bit oil in steamer so that it will not stick in there. Okay, our keema is ready. Now we are ready to wrap. So today my beautiful wife is helping me to wrap here as I'm taking videos. So yeah, just put a little bit in there, and then use a little bit of water so that it will stick together later, and start making the plates round and round and round. Shortly, within few seconds, you will have beautiful wrap momo
And
ready.
then you seal it at the end,
Okay,
like this,
yeah,
so it doesn't come out.
Correct. So we made few momos already. So and then once we are done, we will be steaming for about 15 to 17 minutes. Our momo is ready. So I cooked about 17 minutes, let's say steamed in full high heat. So let's see how it looks like. Wow, guys, our momo are ready to eat. So now you guys can eat momo with chutney, or you can have garlic chili sauce or soya sauce. So it's up to you, whatever you like. Enjoy, guys. So I'm gonna be testing shortly how it feels, how it tastes like. Our momo is ready. Yay! So I have chutney here and momos. Let's see what the verdict is. Okay, let's try our momos. Oh, yummy momos. Can't wait. Very good, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will receive all the good videos, nice videos like this all the time. Try this recipe and let me know in comment below that if you like momos my style.